Hi friends, today I've come up with my yet another video for all my YouTuber friends who have been looking for a solution to use the IR sensor in the sunlight. Okay, a sort of solution. I wouldn't call it a technical solution. जैसे हम इंडिया में कहते हैं जुगाड़. So this is a sort of a जुगाड़ or okay, I might not call it a जुगाड़, an actual solution. Let me show you this. What you're seeing right now on your screen is our prototype 2 hand dispenser with a lot of modifications and upgradation in that, but the basic use of IR sensor has not been changed. Just a quick look at how the IR sensor has been placed. You can see here that the IR sensor has been flushed with the surface of the outer surface of the board which has been used, that is here, and a sort of curtain has been provided to shade the sunlight. Let us switch this on and let me show you what I have brought to you today. The LED blinks, that means the machine is on. Right now the machine is going to work all normal, touchless. See, my hand is almost 2 inches away and the sensor is working normal. Let's go to step 2 or phase 2, where a lot of people have complained that the sensor starts working when they place it in sunlight, which is true. I mean, that is a fact. There you go. Now you see the light has turned on because it is getting sunlight, the IR rays from the sunlight. I've come with a solution. Let me show you what is it. I have here a small mobile cover which is a non-reflective surface plastic cover. I would simply slide this below the sensor and you would see what happens. There you go. The light went off. Let me show you. It's all normal right now. The sensor will work. There you go. This is the normal working. But I have a non-reflective surface placed down there which is not reflecting the sunlight from the reflecting surface to the sensor up there. Let me remove it and show it to you once again. Light on, light off, light on, light off, light on. Let me also show you the normal functioning. If I put my hand here, the light goes off. Sensor is not working right now. When I raise my hand up, this is the normal working. And why is this happening? Because right now my hand is in between the reflective surface and the IR sensor up here. Let me show you another way. By blocking the sunlight falling on the reflective surface, it will still stop malfunctioning. Have a look. The moment I put my hand, I shaded the surface, reflective surface, it stopped. This is how it happens. There. So basically a reflective surface, that is this area, is reflecting the IR rays from the sunlight or the sunlight to the sensor, and it keeps on malfunctioning. But if we place this non-reflective surface below it, the sensor and the dispenser works very much in a normal way. I also wanted to test whether the dispenser would still work with this jugaad sort of thing, or a solution, technically speaking, if I face this sensor or the dispenser directly to the sunlight here. Right now it's like this, it's on the side of it. If I face it directly here, what would happen? Let's try it out. I have turned it to the sunlight directly, and you would see it's malfunctioning as expected. Let's try and push the non-reflective surface below it and let us see what happens. There you go. The light turned off. The light is on, which means it's getting the sun rays from here, from here to the sensor, and it is malfunctioning. But if I put this down here, it stops. Once again, off. This is off. This is on. This is off. This is on. With the hand, if I try to cover the reflecting area, it stops. So basically, if the sunlight doesn't reflect from the reflective surface to the sensor, the dispenser would work normal under all the circumstances. So hope you liked my video, friends, and the solution. I hope the solution is going to help many more people to build their own sanitizers. If you liked my video, please do subscribe, like my channel and the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.